let's take a look at how to replace the waterers on your Rent-A-Coop chicken waterer. So these little cups at the bottom here can wear out over time, and it's very easy to swap them out for new ones. So I've got my new cups over here, and this comes in a pack. We actually get 7 in the pack. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and you can see we've got the replacements. These are from Rent-A-Coop, and we're gonna go ahead and take these out. But first, we're gonna reach in to the waterer here. It's a perfect time to clean out the inside, by the way, when you're doing this. And there's a little kind of bolt that you can actually just use your fingers and turn in there. We're just gonna turn that to release it. So just turn that counterclockwise in there, and then we'll be able to just pop these straight out, and it'll just have a little hole there. So let's do that. So there we go. And I actually forgot these are threaded, so you have to turn them counterclockwise to get them out. But now we've got the holes open. We're just gonna take these fresh ones. We're gonna repeat the process in reverse. Put these, take the little wing nut is what it's called. I forgot the name before. Take the little wing nut off, screw these in here, and then we're gonna put the wing nut in on the other side. So again, just turning these clockwise to screw them in. Then we will reach in, put the little wing nut on the inside there. Now this is super important when you are screwing these in. Make sure you take the wing nut off, but leave this little O-ring on the outside. That's gonna prevent any leaks. So this is on the outside here. This goes through, and then this is on the inside of the waterer. So we're good to go there. Front's nice and cleaned off. And then we're just gonna fill this with water, check and make sure there's no leaks, and then we can go ahead and put it back in the coop. And we are in great shape. Everything is working well. The test chickens are enjoying these newly filled waterer. And that's how we replace the watering cups on your Rent-A-Coop chicken waterer.